In this video, we'll be talking about the top 5 foods for harder erections and how they can help cure erectile dysfunction. The first food for a harder erection is a banana. Hard men have healthy hearts, so eat bananas for potassium, which is great for your heart and circulation. Getting enough potassium helps keep your sodium levels under control, stopping your blood pressure from hitting the roof, and reducing your risk of heart problems. If you eat too much salt and don't like bananas, get your potassium from oranges or jacket potatoes. The second food for a harder erection is watermelon. Watermelon is one of the richest natural sources of L-citrulline, an amino acid that can help make your erection harder. Once it's in the body, it is converted to L-arginine, stimulating the production of nitric oxide, which increases blood flow to the penis and strengthens erections. The third food for a harder erection is ginger. If you like your food like you like your lovers, sweet and spicy, you're in luck. Ginger is another food that can improve your sex life by aiding blood flow and improving artery health. According to a study in the International Journal of Cardiology, consuming a mere teaspoon of the stuff a few times a week is all you need to reap the heart-healthy benefits. The fourth food for a harder erection is the oyster. The oyster has always had an aphrodisiac reputation. One of the reasons may be that oysters have high levels of mineral zinc, which plays an important role in the production of the male hormone testosterone, and low levels of testosterone could be one of the reasons for your erectile dysfunction. Research presented at an American Chemical Society meeting may offer another connection. Raw shellfish contain compounds that stimulate the release of sexual hormones in both men and women. And the fifth food for a harder erection is cherries. Cherries are rich in anthocyanins, plant chemicals which clean your arteries of plaque, keeping them open for business. That has a direct effect on blood flow below the belt, so make it a regular snack. But if you are serious about curing your erectile dysfunction, I recommend you take a look at the link in the description, which I have personally helped hundreds of men cure their erectile dysfunction naturally. You're not responsible for having erectile dysfunction, but you can take control and cure yourself. I was able to cure my and hundreds of other guys' erectile dysfunction with the link below. Check out the link in the description and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you.